Can you see yourself in the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD? The Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. The heavy-duty, full-size pickup truck that has the power and technology you need to get the big jobs done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with. Wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. Intelligent Auto on/off high beams. Pre-collision system. Lane departure warning. Keyless entry. Navigation system. 8-cylinder engine, keyless start, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Take the high road. Get a truck that has all the power and technology you need, and the comfort you deserve. Test drive the Silverado 2500HD.